Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial, let's write a Python program to reverse a string. We want to reverse every character of the string. That is, input of our program is a string, for example this, and the output is also a string, but the characters will be in the reverse order. Reversing the string is nothing but rearranging the order of the characters present in the string. When this is our input string, in the reverse string, the first character present in the input string will be present at the last index. The character in the second index will be present at the second last, like this. Here we can see Amulya is my input. In the output, I want to reverse that string. Here we can see another example, welcome, and here we want to reverse the character E first, M, O, C, L, E, W. Welcome in the reverse order. Okay, let's see how to do that. So in the Python file, first let's ask the user to enter the input. Here input is a string. So to take input, let's use input function and write a message, enter a string. And here we want string input, and in Python 3 by default this input function will take input as string value and will store the user entered input in the variable string. Alright, next we want to reverse the given string. To reverse the string, I'll use slicing operation. That is, let's take a variable, reversed string, a new variable. In this, we'll store the reversed string. Then here I'll take string, that is the variable name where our input is stored. We want to reverse this string. Then here I'll use colon, colon and -1. So here you can see the syntax of slicing operation: start, end and step. Start is from where you want to start the slicing operation, end is where you want to end the slicing operation, and -1 is the step. Step means how many characters you want to move at a time. Here we didn't take start and end value, so it will take default value. If step is a positive value, the default value of start is 0. That is the index, 0th index, and default value of end is length of the string -1. It will consider whole string. But here step is -1, negative value. It means go backwards through string. Because step is -1, move one character at a time. So here start value is the length of the string -1. Here end value is 0. Because step is negative here, that's why. What it will do is this operation will give you the string in the reverse order. Now let's print this. Reverse string is stored in this variable. Alright, now we are done. Save this program and run this program. Let's enter a string, and here you can see the reversed string. You can include space also here, like this. Here you can see. It will reverse every character. Okay, so to reverse a string, we can use slicing operation, and slicing operation is very simple. No need to mention start and end because we want to consider whole string, and here we need to take step as -1. So by default, it will take the start value as the length of the string -1 and end as 0. So we'll get whole string in the reversed order. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.